Question: what does everyone with a website need? Yep, traffic. If your customers are marketers or people who want to do business online, they're certainly going to need traffic. 100% sure about it. So if you're already selling something to them, it makes sense to upsell them a traffic training, don't you agree? Now, second question: what is the best way to maximize your customer lifetime value? Depending on which expert you ask, the answer varies. But in my decade-long experience as an online marketer, very few things are more rewarding than membership sites. This is the key to getting recurring income from the same customers you get today over and over and over again for months, even years to come. Again, I'm speaking from experience, and as you can see here, I've been making a nice recurring income from this particular membership site for 2 years and running. And the thing is, I own more than one membership site. This is just one of them. Now, all the good stuff told, you're probably wondering, if having your own membership site is the way to go, then why isn't everyone doing it? Now, here's the thing. If you could have done it on your own, you would have done it on your own. Think about it. If you tried before then, you know that unlike creating a one-off product, which already some people are struggling and finding it difficult to do, creating a monthly membership site, on the other hand, is 12 to 24 times even more work. And I didn't arrive these numbers by coincidence and I didn't make it up. In fact, let's say that if you run your membership site for the next 12 months, you're going to need new content for once a month. That's like creating 12 front-end products. Think about it. Which is why, even to this day, there are very, very few memberships in comparison to one-time products. So, this got me thinking. I mean, since I have the advantage of having an in-house team dedicated to product creation, I can do this for you. So with your permission, I would like to announce the membership licensing program through Massive Traffic Blueprint. If you want to skip all the frustrations of building your first membership site from scratch, then let my team do it for you. I've put together a turnkey membership that will set you up and you can take over as your own and you keep every sale you make month in, month out. Massive Traffic Blueprint is modeled precisely after my successful monthly membership sites such as the one you've just seen with a solid proven track record of high retention rates. This is something your customers are going to need anyway, and that's especially if they want to get business to their websites. So I imagine that this is going to make an ideal upsell of backend to your existing front-end offers. Therefore, you only need to take 3 simple steps. Step 1. Send us your details, such as your web hosting and autoresponder temporary access. If you have no idea what they are, don't worry, this will be shown to you. Step 2. Our team will set up your membership site in 5 working days or less. And step 3. Guess what? You are already ready to go. Start making 100% profits recurring hand over fist month after month after month. Well, while we'll all do the setup work for you, I think it helps to let you know what to expect in your membership site. So here goes. Your membership site consists of monthly video training lined up for the next 12 months. That's right, you've got content ready to go for the whole year. So whether your member joins today, tomorrow, next week, or even next month, he starts receiving video training number 1 through us on a monthly basis. And we automate that process by setting up your autoresponder to dispense member follow-up emails every month, sending them to the current month's training in the members page. As this is a video training membership site, every month also comes with presentation slides, transcript, and checklists. So in a real essence, you're letting the membership site do the training on your behalf while you sit back, relax, and collect payments every single month for as long as your member stays with you. You also get a professionally done sales letter and sales video to sell your membership. We will put your name or a pen name if you desire on the sales letter and your buy button in it, and you're ready to be in business generating a massive passive income. And if you're open to a tip to get 20 to 30% conversion rates, I suggest using this membership as an upsell to your front-end offers. It absolutely works. So let's do a little bit of math here. Let's just say you get 1 member a day and you charge $20 a month. That's 30 members a month times $20. This will give you $600 in passive income. What can an extra $600 do for you? Pay for your internet, some utility bills, and groceries for the month. And then it gets better. If you have 100 members paying you $20 a month, that's an extra $2,000 in passive income. What about 200 members? That gives you $4,000 in residual income that you don't have to work for again and again. And putting this on a best case scenario and better, let's say 500 members at $20 a month. This gives you $10,000 a month. Now, maybe you feel that getting thousands of members feels like a far away goal, but even getting 100, 200 members, a couple of hundred members is very achievable. This is automated income with people staying with you every single month. And if you make an extra $2,000 to $10,000 a month in residual income every single month, on top of everything else and whatever else you're making right now, wouldn't that change your lifestyle? In retrospect, if you look at the cost of creating a full-blown membership site, I did a quick calculation and the amount comes up to something like this. And here's the thing, I'm already being modest with the figures. Or you can try the do it yourself route. But if my personal experience is any indication, I spent 6 months creating just one monthly site. I'm not sure if you want to wait 6 months to start seeing your first dollar back. And personally, I rather go with some of the exclusive deals out there on licensing programs that are charging $997 and above, because my time is valuable and I want to start making sales as soon as possible, ASAP. Now here's the good news. I will be putting that price tag on my membership setup service, not today. So it's not even going to be $497. It's not $297 either, but just $97 one-time investment. $97 and we set everything up for you, ready with 12 months worth of content for your membership site. All you need to do is just sell 5 memberships or get one member and he stays for 5 months and you're already sailing green. And everything else you make after this is pure profits. Now, there's only one catch though. We're not doing this just for anyone and everyone. This is a special deal only for our customers like yourself. And that's because you bought something from us before. I'm not offering this deal to the public, let alone give this customers only price. This is strictly for you. So if you want to have your own membership site that chucks in massive passive profits, let us do the setup for you. Click on the order button below to reserve your spot in our membership licensing program.